How to set up VS Code for Java. We begin by going to our favorite web browser and then visiting the official Visual Studio Code documentations for Java. I am going to leave a copy of the link down in the description. Setting up VS Code for Java development. We first need to download the coding pack for Java by clicking this link for Windows. After downloading it, we go to our downloads and then we open the coding pack for Java to install it. Now I'm going to open it from here. In our install coding pack for Java, we go to next. And then as you see, required components are listed below. So because I have Visual Studio Code already, okay here. Then next is to download or install the Java development kit. So you hit install here to do that. Because I have already done that, I'm not going to do it again. So I'll go to cancel. But you should do it. Now once you are done, you are going to launch the Visual Studio Code. Now within your Visual Studio Code, you type Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open your control palette. Now within your control palette, look for Java, create Java project and click on it. Now again, you go to No Build Tools and click on it. Now from here, you are going to select a location where you are going to keep your Java project. So you can create a folder on your desktop or any place visible where you can keep your project. So I have here my Java project. That's a folder I have created. So you can keep yours here and then you go to select the project location. Now after you select that, you have to give a name to your project. So you can see I have here my first project. So in here you type the name of your project. So you give it any name. Now once you are done, you are going to have this. So you can see here my first project, and then inside the my first project we have a folder. Now this folder here with the src folder, we have app.java. When I open it, we have this template code in here. Now you can see system.out.println hello world. So when you run this code, we are going to print out hello world. So I can either run it from here or run it from this side. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run it for us to see if we get a hello world. So as you can see down here, we have hello world. So this is how we set up our Visual Studio Code for Java. Like and subscribe.